Okay, hello people. This is gonna be a lot different to what I normally do. Twisted is a storm chasing game. Now, whenever I first started playing a long time ago, my brain really didn't know what to do. It was like a couple of years ago, so I just didn't play it. But now I kind of do have an understanding what to do now, so I'm gonna try and find an at least normal server with a normal. Hey, this one right here, medium. That's pretty high. You can get some really good stuff. So I have gotten a bunch of pictures, and I've kind of just been looking at tornadoes. I didn't know you could get money from probes. Also got the emergency game pass, because it's kind of sad seeing an NPC slowly die while all you can do is report it. Anyways, now I would be spawning at Prior Lake, but that is a massive tornado, and Funkley has something. Oh my, it is raining bad. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I need a scout, I think. Where's the scout? Probe capacity. Okay, I can buy this one. And now I do that. Also need to buy probes. I'm not too good on the buying. And my health. Oh yeah, it's because I'm in the middle of a storm. Oh my. Equipment. I have the money to do a tutu. Okay, quick, in the vehicle. Okay, I am very low health because I was kind of just sitting out here in the hail. So let's see where that twister is. What? Oh my. Okay, that was something. Anyways, okay, here am I in Funkley. So I'm thinking I go down the road out of town, and I take a left. Okay, I'm back. I think I found the tornado. Probably should put on the emergency class so I can actually save some people, because that building looked like it got decimated. And the hail finally stopped. I want to get a vehicle like that. See that right there? Oh my. Power line's down, I think. Yep. And trees. That is a crazy thing right there. Like, just look at that. That looks so cool. Seems like this building didn't get absolutely decimated. All the trees around it did. I need to stop. Dude, just sitting here and actually place a probe down. It's kind of hard to stay on the road right now. I just noticed something. The sun got knocked down. The detail is just pretty cool. Oh, that. I can hear it very loud and clear. But I might need to. It would be kind of embarrassing to die on here first thing, but it's good to like right here. Okay, place down that probe. Place it down. Actually, nah. Let me get that. I am playing on mobile, so just hear that. That is just menacing. Let me see where it's going. Okay, it's going to that intersection, I think. It is a wedge, I think. Let me see. Yeah, it's a wedge. Don't know if I should be so close to it, but you know, I need that money. Slow down. Place the probe. Place faster. Out of here. What about the probe? Oh, it's moving away from my probe. I'm not gonna seek shelter. I'm trying to get money. Okay, and here's something satisfying. It's 5 p.m. now. This is kind of... You know, I am kind of mad that this has no interior. Unlike the other truck that has a very detailed interior. But you know what? I don't really care. Anyways, I think... It's either heading towards me or I'm going to intercept it. I mean, this is a paved road. The wrong way. Nah, I don't care. This might be too risky. Oh! 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 Oh my! I think it just caught a house. I don't think anybody's crazy enough to get close. Southeast. Where am I? Oh, okay, it's not heading towards me. Please say that's making me money. It's not. Okay. Let's pick that up. Okay, it is time to check the damage. Because there are some people that without my help are probably about to die. So, you know what? Come on, boys. These are all interceptors. I kind of feel out of place with all these interceptors right here. Oh. Oh my, where are we? Rip Alamora right now. Oh my. Okay. Alamora's cooked. Please say I can do something. Heal. Come on, Michael. Micah! On the verge of death right now. Okay, Karen. Ma'am, everything in Alamora is just gone. Anyways, this is gonna take a while. This is gonna make money anyway, so I'm just gonna grind. No! Matthew's dead. Guys, Matthew's dead. There's nothing we could do. Okay. I feel bad for Alamorians. Important right now. They're barely alive. Oh my, I was barely here. Joseph. Joseph. Very first one, so you know. We didn't get too lucky. That was a massive tornado. As soon as I saw that flying and the damage, I knew that somebody would have to be healed. Oh, I see a tornado in the distance. Is that pretty close? I don't know, but all these other people are like minimal healing. Man, I'm sorry for your house, Elizabeth. Yep, go see your dead ones. Yes, your neighbor's kind of dead. I'm stuck. You'd spawn that in. Oh my, this whole entire household just got decimated. I think we can tell who is in a safe place and who is not. Pretty slow. It's probably going to be pretty long too. Anyways, it's driving time. Make first a memorial for Matthew. I will make a song and I might post it on YouTube. Oh, Matthew, you are cooked, and that tornado hit you directly. Oh, how Matthew's house just got turned into a slab, and how cooked he was, and now I cover in PC. Oh, Matthew's mental, and how he not survive. Oh, how bro got cooked, and I think he's dead. And his house was built in the middle of nowhere, and how he's now in a bag. Bro did not survive that long. Okay, that song was horrible. Okay, we're on the road again. Oh my.
Okay, what is it?
55726U. Okay, I'm probably. Yes. Okay, let me try and I think right here will be a very good spot.
Wait, 556 what?
557 T6U. Okay, okay, it's time to get out of here. It's time to get out of here. It's time to get out of here. It's time. What? I can't see anything. Oh my. Really hope that's making money. That's literally inside the tornado. How?
Are you inside?
No, but my probes are.
What a brother.
The money making stuff that record wind speed. Anyways, I can't really give you anything right now because as you can see, it's pitch black. And there is a massive storm. Oh my, look at that actual terror. Okay, I need to get my probes back. Did anybody get caught by the tornado? Oh, well, I think this person got caught. Look at that. Where am I?
557 TU.
What?
Wait, 557 what?
Hazleton, Wildtrow Valley, Altoid, was on track to impact portions of Hazleton. Heavy rainfall may cause this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Today, no, not today. We are getting our probes right now. That was semi-successful. Eye on this map to know where to turn, and I need to turn about right. And I need to turn about right now. Maybe now. Oh, right here. I am relying on the map right now. And I really hope I do not drive into it. Because that would be bad. Nobody wants to drive into a tornado. Anyways. I'm getting really close.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Soda.
Make sure I don't drive into it.
Hazleton. Doppler radar shows this tornado moving east at 60 miles per hour.
Okay.
Location
Let me move towards the interceptor, because whoever's driving that interceptor has to be good at the game.
tornadoes are extremely difficult to see.
Last time I remember,
Do not
that's
wait to
pretty
see or hear the
expensive.
tornado. Take cover now.
Wait, why is he stopped?
Heavy rainfall may cause this tornado,
Please don't
making
tell
it
me he's
extremely
coming towards
difficult
us.
to see.
It's not heading towards us.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the store.
Or is everybody good? Oh my, I probably need. Also, I'll just show you some pictures that I got before I knew how to do everything. Looks like I'm heading straight for it. Do not turn right here. Nope, I'm not stopping. Oh my, where am I? We're on a dirt road right now. Hey, look at that! There's a little farm. Probably good cover out in the open like this. Oh, yeah, I'm horrible at driving. Couldn't forget that. Oh! Oh, it's heading for Hazleton. It's heading for Hazleton. Oh, Hazleton, and that means there's gonna be a lot of people. The only way it seems like I'm getting money right now is through just kind of saving people, which, I mean, you should get money for that. I agree. Oh, it missed Hazleton. Okay. Well, I guess I'm not getting money. I'm gonna have to. Thing is, but I don't really want to be tornado chasing in this at night. I don't really like night storm chases, but you know what? Mainly because I like to take storms. Okay, let's check. Wait, where are they going? Like, I'm actually... They're just going. Hey, you took me off course. And we've had some pretty big tornadoes today. Oh my. And I've gotten not a very good amount of money for it. I'm driving like a drunk driver. Why now? Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my turn. There's been probes here. I don't know if I'm... Can we check what happened? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Who do I save? I choose you. Sorry. Sorry, Amanda. No. Lisa and Amanda. I had to choose one. I'm sorry, guys. I wish help could come sooner. Night. I'm sorry. Your friend's kind of dead. That's the second deadly tornado today. Okay, Hazleton did get clipped. Probably not the best thing, no, since you know people live here, and you know people will die. Okay, let's check the area. Is there anybody around here? Nope, just you, I think, John. Man, I like medical work. Is there anybody inside? Oh, I need a flashlight. I definitely need to buy a flashlight. I don't see anybody. Looks like we're clear. And nah, I don't think I should probably be chasing right now. Anyways, that's a little boring, but I think I can take that as some footage, edit it up, and then I could add it to the video for right now. Hazleton's a very cool town. I just like it. It feels very it's small, but it's big. Don't really know how to explain it. It's just a very lively town. It's like if you made, okay, I'm not gonna say which town is it, but there's a town nearby me. It feels exactly like it. Well, it's more of a city. Yes, it is a city, about 30K people. And Hazleton, 24K. So not too far off. It kind of feels like this. There's homes. There's just a bunch of people, I guess. But there's skyscrapers, but at the same time, it's the South. So this is not the South. This is supposed to be not the South. Just look at the town. Feels so lively. One thing I told my parents about this game is how, okay, let's drive around here. It doesn't feel so basic. It feels like I'm driving through a normal town you'd see at the Great Lakes area. Okay, yeah. Just a little town, well, pretty big town or city. Driving around, I don't really see any duplicate places. Gas station, I need that. Okay. Should probably heal myself somehow. I don't really know what to do. I think I'm just gonna fuel my vehicle. Do I have to do diesel? Oh. I'm paying for premium. So, purchase. Okay, and I don't know if I should keep storm chasing or not. What is this? Anyways, this is the first part of the video. I'm probably gonna hop off for a little bit, and you know what's the best place to end it is? Oh, I can't film in the bathroom. But, bye-bye. What's up, guys? Here we have a new video So we are, well, not a new video, the second part of the video. Now, I did try and film another one, but it was an absolute flop. We were just waiting there at a gas station in Prior Lake for a really long time. Hey, but now we don't gotta deal with that. So, so you know our goal today. Save as much people as possible. Place down some probes in those tornadoes. Video being big, I just like watching long videos. I don't know why.
Lightning and
So if I'm right here, if I'm going to intercept, I need to turn. Oh, wait, no. I don't need to turn. Nice. So I hope this tornado might absolutely slam Hibbing, which will be bad because Hibbing's like a lot of people. Also, I filmed this a day later after I filmed the first part, so you know of that stuff. But we are closing in on the tornado. Should be. Let's see. Okay, wait. I need to check analysis. Okay, wait. So, if it's right here. Okay, let me just show you right here. And it is going, see, in 46 degree angle at about 70 miles per hour this way. So we could intercept about right here. Let's just make sure I can, you know, starting off the video with a crazy, oh my, there is it right there. Look at that thing. Okay, so I do not have an intercept vehicle, but I do have probes. So, you know, all that stuff. My goal, I don't know why I have it on kilometers. Hey, there's an interceptor. You know, I've always thought interceptors are pretty cool. If these interceptors are stopped right here, I think I should probably stop.
tornado warning for
Okay, let me look at the... I'm feeling like I should set up on the bridge. Oh, it's a Sidewinder. Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? A Sidewinder? If you don't know, Sidewinders are all over the place. Oh. Might be a little bit of waiting. Oh. Those are either interceptors or dead. Don't know what this guy's doing out here in the field. He probably got thrown. You know, I've never died before in this game, so you know. I've heard about the hardcore challenge, so I was like, maybe I could do that sometime. But that would probably be like a 3-hour long video, and it'd be an this video's already a pain to edit. I've been editing for my little brother all yesterday and this video today. I mean, yesterday too. Keystonia State Forest. Yeah, let's go. If I want to get right in front of it, I think I should probably follow the interceptor. Now, this ain't that big, so I'm wondering, should I place down a probe or not? I'm not too sure I'm placing down a probe yet. Where's it going? Okay. Yes, it is a Sidewinder. I think that's pretty obvious. Okay, wait. Yeah, I think we might need to back up to intercept. I'm trying to get my probes inside the tornado, because once you're inside, it's a perfect. Also, they're probably okay. I have to place it down now. Okay, guys, it's it. Come on, go. Get in that car. Get in that car. Get in that car. Get in. Get in. I'm out. I'm out, gang. Oh my. Oh my. Yo. Yo. What? Bruh, I made 0 money? Bruh, it just missed. Or is it heading towards me? No, that is crazy. That is... Okay. We're straight up just past us. I thought I got the perfect intercept. But you know, these sidewinders, they ain't too good at intercepting. It was right there, but then it hit a crazy turn. I'm gonna look on the cape on this thing. That's pretty good cape. It's about across this road. Oh my. Oh my. Please make money. Where's my other probe? Where's my other probe? Did I forget a probe? No, I did not. I have all 3 of my probes. Yeah, it must have been a glitch. I mean, there was just a new update. Come on. Down. Come on. Okay, I was saying, I really... I just got kidnapped. Okay, we're gonna have to chase that tornado. Now, I can't really see the tornado right now. So, my best hope is following this interceptor, because if I want to intercept it, I should probably follow the interceptor. And now there's a little convoy of traffic. Oh, that's a tornado. No, stay where you are. Stay, no, don't fly. I'm flying. No, stay where you are. Stay! Oh, I'm out. Get out of this. This is not the place to be in a Nissan or something. In a Nissan Corolla. Oh my. I just got flung. My heart, like if I had readings of my heart rate, it would probably be at 120 right now. I think I almost had a heart attack just from oh my. This is like still the start of the video, and it's still just absolute insane. Tornado signs. Oh, Pryor, you're cooked. Stop. Where's my truck? I'm sorry, Pryor. Where's Pryor? Okay, if we can't probe it, you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna save some lives. Oh, I feel so bad for Pryor. It's about to get absolutely slammed. Oh my, why do I keep on jumping out? I think it's because of my finger placement. Oh my, I can't see a thing. Tornado sirens are blaring. I keep on hearing tornado warnings. I barely even know where I am. It's just pure chaos. And there's a tornado that I literally almost died to.
making it extremely difficult to see.
If I would have kept on driving, I probably would have died.
Take cover now. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home,
Okay, here's Briar. Wait, oh. Turn around. It just... Oh, that's the tornado. Ah, I looked at the map. I see ya. Oh my. Oh. Is everybody in there okay? One time, I think around 2016, 2017, somewhere in there, there was a tornado outbreak in, the south where I live. I think I've already said that. And it was for a couple weeks. It would be tornado sirens, tornado warnings, getting in the bathtub, chilling, in the shower. And whenever it got really bad, we'd sometimes go to my aunt and uncle's that have a basement. Whenever it got really, really bad, we'd go to my other aunt and uncle's that had a whole entire storm shelter. I'm happy I never even got close to being hit. But I heard that a lot. I don't know, it was just a bunch of tornadoes. Oh, it's nearby, but where? I do not know where this tornado is. So this is dangerous. Now, if I was an interceptor, I'd probably... Oh. That house just got slapped. Oh my, the basement. The basement is gone. Is there anybody here? I don't know where they could be, but there's nobody at Briar or Helma. Okay, where's this tornado? I think we need to get back on the main road.
If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or on a low spot and cover your head with your hands.
I'm driving right into a tornado, I think. I have no idea where I am. This is why I hate storm chasing at night. This tornado started down here, about to clip Hibbing. It went through there, and now it's there. Okay, from what I'm seeing, I think I'm safe to start driving forward. It's raining hard. I can't see a thing. It's just not too good. Wish I wasn't storm chasing at nighttime, but just gotta do it. What? That way? Should I start following Bellamy 48? I need to reverse. There's no light anywhere. That's a tornado. That is a tornado. No, it's not. What's a tornado? I don't know if I can't tell if it's a tornado or not. This is why I don't storm chase at night. How do you tell? I'm kind of garbage. Oh, okay, it's back on the road. A tornado I cannot see. This is a nightmare. I hear it. Where is it? I don't see it. It's past me. How does it keep on just juking? But it's not coming towards you. Okay, what if I just leave this probe on the road and maybe it might hit it? Because where is it going? Oh no, I need that probe. And the tornado's dissipating. Very unsuccessful. That was probably not the best thing. I mean, but it was pretty entertaining, so you know. And it was a tornado. Okay, next stop is no tornado has formed yet, but this tornado warning area is literally right there. So I'm gonna go down this road. Because I don't even decide where I'm going right now. So if I was a tornado in this area, I think everybody's going up here. So I'm thinking a tornado's just up the road. Don't know why everybody's... Oh, because it's prior light. I forgot. Okay. We got a twister down at Starbucks. Or, I don't know what that thing is right there is. And it's hailing. Hail size. I think about a quarter. It's going up, so from what I'm thinking, it should go up here. But we do got a good road if it's going up on to Wait. Oh, I can't. So, I guess my only option is to try and get on Interstate 33, which is a pretty big interstate. Okay, not on Starbucks. I think I'm the only person chasing this tornado, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, nope, one more person. Oh, I could have saved so much time. Aha. Hey, I don't have that much map knowledge. Oh my. Just be morning already. I think I'll be chasing this by morning. Then the morning fog will come. Can I just please play this game without having to deal with not being able to see the thing I'm chasing? Like, I know it's realistic, but I just want to see. I'm kind of blind. Like, literally, I have to have glasses. Oh, I'm a wizard. Anyway. Okay, I guess I just follow it. This road is... Oh, that's a border. According to the road, I'm just in the middle of nowhere right now. Not very cool, and I don't even know if I'm on a road or not. I can't rely on my mini-map. Oh my, look at that absolute... I think that's a wedge. I like wedge tornadoes, they're pretty big. That makes it easier to intercept them with probes. I'm like a sidewinder. That's at night. while it's raining. Okay, I think I can calm down. I want an off-road. Oh, my vehicle just got absolutely pelted. Anyways, it's daytime now. I can finally do my storm chasing in peace. Where is that? Oh, it's gone. Please don't say it's dissipating. Please don't say it's dissipating. Please, please, stay with me. Stay with me! Come on. Do I just don't know where the tornado is, or? We are getting... Speed up. Okay. Bruh, how are these normal winds? This is literally right next to a tornado. It's definitely going forward somewhere right now. So, this might be the best part of the video right here. Get in that. Get in there. Come on. Now the only thing we can do is sit here and wait. I don't think I could have placed another tornado. I mean another probe. Go off. Make me money. I'm finally making money. Yo! Yes! That tornado's weak. Bruh. I made $0. I think this might be the tornado. Oh, that's it right there. There's no way this doesn't work. It doesn't get me money. Come on. No. Come on. Yes! Yes! No, get out! Out! Yeah, baby! That's what I'm talking about! Yes! Yeah, that's how my dad would always say it. Tornado. Set up on this road. Oh my, that's up. That is a multi-vortex. And that multi-vortex just hit me. Man. Oh. Oh, dang it. My car on this tornado? Let's test it. Ow. Oh my. Hi, Nader. Oh, Nader. How you doing? Crazy intercept. Can't really check what's going. Okay, and where is it? It's not. It's I'm in the straight up middle of nowhere. I'm going. Well, you want to know what would be an amazing Place that probe. Place that probe. No. Come on, bring me with you. Oh, it's just. Oh. Come back. No. Anyways, hope y'all liked the video. This is the end of it. I don't really know what to say. I barely even made any money today. I'd say today was a failure. But you know, if you want part 2, maybe I can get some more money. And yeah, we'll do that. So let's see ya.